Hello everyone, welcome to this session on technical analysis. Today we will focus on reviewing a very useful composite indicator known as the 6-in-1 indicator. As the name implies, this indicator simultaneously integrates 6 of the most popular technical analysis tools among traders. By combining the signals emitted by these 6 parameters, the 6-in-1 indicator provides a comprehensive assessment of market behavior, considering multiple technical perspectives simultaneously. The main objective of this video is to present in detail the operation and configuration of this composite indicator, as well as the recommended methodology to effectively interpret the signals it generates. The 6-in-1 indicator is a powerful technical analysis tool that consists of the set of 6 indicators working in an integrated manner. RSI measures the strength of the trend. MACD detects crosses of averages to identify bullish or bearish divergences. Stochastic oscillator evaluates whether the price is at overbought or oversold levels. DeMarker establishes trend filters using daily closing values. CCI measures deviations from the mean to identify changes in dynamics. Velocity calculates price accelerations or decelerations. By simultaneously integrating this multi-focus selection, the 6-in-1 indicator escapes a biased view to offer a comprehensive assessment of the state of the market. Let's look at the individual conditions of each indicator for the change of color of the dots in the 6-in-1 indicator. The first dotted line corresponds to the RSI indicator data. It changes to green when the RSI is above 70%, indicating overbought. It changes to red if it is below 30%. Showing oversold. The second dotted line corresponds to the MACD indicator data. It is green when the MACD line crosses above the zero signal line. It is red when it crosses below. The third dotted line corresponds to the stochastic indicator. It turns green when above 80%. Red if it falls below 20%. The fourth dotted line corresponds to the DeMarker indicator. It is green for values below -0.2, red if it exceeds 0.2. The fifth dotted line corresponds to the CCI indicator. It is green for values above 100, red for values below -100. The sixth dotted line corresponds to the speed indicator. Green when it accelerates above its average, red when it slows down and falls below. When 4 or more of the 6 individual indicators show a bullish signal, i.e. their dotted lines turn green, a combined bullish signal is generated. This means that there is a consensus in at least 75% of the indicators analyzed that there is an uptrend in the asset. As a result, the candlesticks on the chart turn green. This serves to warn the analyst that there is currently a high probability that the price of the asset will continue to rise in the short to medium term. Similarly, when 4 or more indicators show a bearish signal, a combined bearish signal is triggered, turning the candlesticks red. This implies a high probability of a continuation of the downtrend. Remember that this tool allows you to adjust the individual parameters of each of the internal indicators. In this way, it is possible to optimize the settings to best suit the financial instrument we are analyzing or our own trading style. This parameterization capability is very important, as no two assets or strategies are the same. Optimization allows us to maximize the performance of the 6-in-1 indicator. Thus, through trial and error, we will be able to fine-tune the configuration and get the most out of this powerful multi-indicator analysis tool. First of all, I ask you to like this video, share it with your group of traders, and above all, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new tutorial. Well, I'm going to guide you step by step to download and install the 6-in-1 indicator script in TradingView. The first step is to head over to the pinned comment. There you will find the link to my Telegram channel. I recommend subscribing because I will be uploading more indicators and tools. Once in Telegram, look for the TXT file of the 6-in-1 indicator, download it, and make sure you copy all of its code. Now in TradingView, click on the Pine Editor option at the bottom. Delete everything that is already written and paste the new code. Now click on the Add to Chart button. This should display the script. The 6-in-1 indicator is an ideal tool for both experienced traders and new investors, because it synthesizes information from multiple technical indicators in a clear and simple way. In short, the 6-in-1 indicator is a powerful multi-indicator tool that every trader should include in his technical arsenal, facilitating a comprehensive analysis and decisions with better perspectives. If you want to learn more strategies and technical analysis tools, I invite you to subscribe to my channel to be aware of future video tutorials. I guarantee you will be able to learn new things that will improve your profitability.